In this video, I'll show you how you can change skin color in Roblox. This is really easy, guys. You just want to log into your account and head over to Avatar. Go to Head and Body and find Skin Tone. And in here, you can change your skin tone. So if you press Advanced, you'll be able to choose the specific ones. So let's say you only want your left arm to be, let's say, yellow. You'll be able to see now my left arm is yellow. Now you can go in 3D mode if you want, 2D I mean, and 3D you can switch back and forth. So if you want to just change all, you can do like this. So let's say I want my Roblox to be blue, and let's just see right here. Just let it load for a little bit. The more you change at once, the more it's gonna take, but now you can see it's completely blue. So that is how you can change the skin color in Roblox. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.